Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Samara. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we modernized and started replacing the obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 20 years, and I know well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one myself, coordinating it with the management before the purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changing and automated. The modernization plans included the purchase of equipment for packing penicillin vials into cardboard boxes. Penicillin vials are glass bottles in which powders, granules and liquids are dispensed. The very process of packing the vials, or cartons, is carried out in white cardboard boxes of 10 pieces each. The old machine was constantly being repaired, and we could not deliver the medicine in penicillin vials to the customer in time. Since I had already selected many different machines for our facility, I had a little experience in picking up and remained in contact with some reliable equipment manufacturers. I started contacting the manufacturers by telephone and asked if they could produce equipment for packaging penicillin vials into cartons. I listed automatic control, quality stainless steel equipment material as the main criteria. At first I contacted a company from Germany who offered me automatic packaging equipment, but they specified that the whole delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment were not included in the price. The delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted a company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait, since I was not able to find a manufacturer of equipment for packaging penicillin vials into cardboard boxes. I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience with equipment supplied by a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. In 5 days I received from them by email 10 variants of different machines for packaging penicillin vials into cardboard boxes, and the offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach and would not help me with the solution of finding the equipment. The boxes also contained a paper manual with information about the medicine's purpose, route of administration, and side effects. 1 month after conclusion of the contract, we received automatic equipment for packaging penicillin vials into cardboard boxes. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's guarantee, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We installed the machine and trained the employees, who will be assigned to the machine within a week. In the future, I plan to contact the manager of this company to purchase analytical equipment, which should be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin capsules. I am sure that he will pick up quality equipment for me. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the task at hand and free up time, which can be spent to your advantage.